Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7814. So, yeah. So as you can see, the build is right. Where is it? It's probably right in front of me. Yeah, right here. Windows 8 build 7814 right here. So right here. And we're going to be making a virtual machine. So we're going to click create a new virtual machine. Typical. Actually, no. Let's do custom. I like doing the custom option. We're going to be using that next. I'll install the operating system later. I'll change this to Windows 8X 64-bit, just in case. We're going to call this Windows 8 build 7814. Okay, so there we go. Click on next. UEFI. Next. Next. Let's give it 2 gigs of RAM, sure. Yeah, sure. Sure. Let's give it SATA. Actually, yeah, I'll just use whatever it says. 60 gigs is fine. Sure, why not? Let's click customize hardware to put in the ISO. CD. Don't detect from the CD drive the DVD drive because there is something in there. But I'm gonna click close, finish, and it should. There we go. So let's click that. Let's click on that, man. Click on that so that I wasn't crazy. What's gravy? Yeah. Is the drive even in? Yeah, I put the drive in. Is it bootable? Don't know if it's bootable. I'm gonna just reload this. Maybe it's having trouble. Boot normally. Okay, so I think I messed up. Yeah, yeah, I think yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so let's go to edit. First I want to see if you can change it from here. Oh gosh. Okay, I guess we gotta remake the thing. So let's manage, delete from disk. Yes. Create a new virtual machine. Custom. Sure, sure, sure. Windows 8 build 7814. Call that again. Click next. Yeah, keep it on BIOS. Next. Next. 2 gigs of RAM. Next. Sure. 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 Yeah. Customize hardware. CD slash DVD. This is probably gonna be a DVD. Let's see how big is the file. Okay, so the file is 3. Yeah, that should definitely go on a DVD. It won't fit on a CD. So yeah, that would fit on a DVD. Not that I'm burning it to a DVD, but I might install it on real hardware. Don't know though. And as you can see, it's saying Windows is loading files. And this is Windows 8, but it will look like the Windows 7 setup because it's an earlier beta build. I didn't go with the first beta build because there's not that many differences, but I went with a bit newer beta build so that I could have some differences to look at, and we wouldn't just be installing it. So as you can see, we've got the Windows 7 cursor, and we've got a black background here. As you can see, black background. Let's click on next, install now. Oh, we might need a product key. Oh yeah, we're probably gonna need a product key. So yeah, hopefully this works because the last video I did it didn't work, and I'm editing that. So yep, and there we go. So you need a product key for this. This is absolutely amazing. I'll be right back after I put in the product key then. Anyways, we're back and we're gonna click I accept the license agreement. Next, custom, because upgrade won't work, and the 60 gigabyte partition is here, so let's click next. And well, now it's going to do that. So I guess I'm gonna do a time lapse. Alright, so now it's restarting. And oh god. Okay. So we got the classic Windows 7 boot screen. Starting Windows. Windows. Yeah, that's great. And it should boot into the out-of-box experience soon, so that we can try and do stuff. Okay, the setup is updating registry settings. Yeah, registry settings. Yeah, let's go. This is gonna take a while, huh? And I guess this is the resolution. I mean, I don't know. Please tell me this is the correct resolution until we get VMware Tools, which we probably won't get. Setup is starting services. And I can't see the mouse cursor yet. There we go now. The mouse cursor is showing. And yeah, the resolution is this now. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, completing the installation. I hope this actually finishes. I hope it completes fast so we can get into the out-of-box experience, man. It's probably gonna restart after this. I don't know if the setup restarts after this or not. It might not restart, but it probably will. I'm just saying. Probably will restart. Oh, it probably will restart. Well, alright, I'll be back when something interesting happens. Yeah. Alright, so now it's saying that setup is gonna continue after restarting the computer. So, I guess we wait for it to restart then. Because I don't know if it's gonna ask me to restart. It probably won't. Should I force restart it if it, like, I don't know. I'll just do that if it's taking forever and it's frozen. So, alright, so it looks like we're gonna have to force restart the computer, so, yeah, goodbye. Um, I don't get what happened. Yeah, this is, let's check the message log to see what happened. There is nothing. There we go. It's start Windows normally. I'm 5'2" or 5'3". Setup is preparing your computer. Setup is checking video performance with that cool animation thing. It's really nice. I'm gonna try to get VMware Tools. Alright, so type a computer name. 7814. That's what it's called. 7814. Oh, I'm pretty sure I clicked next. I'm pretty sure I clicked on the next button, but for some reason. Oh, okay, there we go. Home network, because this is a home network. Full HD 1080p display. Oh, sorry, I'm just reading the display. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back after we're at the desktop. So yeah, I'll be back. Actually, never mind, cause we need a password and a username. So I'm just gonna type in my actual name. I don't want a password. Ask me later. Central Time. Next. Windows is finalizing your settings. Yeah, it's finalizing. And now it's gonna reboot the PC, isn't it? Alright, so we're starting Windows. Starting Windows. Oh, guys. We're starting Windows. Welcome. Preparing your desktop. Well, yeah, that's great. Preparing your desktop is absolutely great. Grayish na. Grayish ka. And we're invited right up to a lot of stuff. First of all is the "Let's Not Leak Our Hard Work" wallpaper that says that you could get fired or something if you leak this build. Someone did leak this build for testing purposes only. And here's a couple of new features. As you can see, the wallpaper has changed, and also this thingy. This is your user icon. So when you click on it, it has your user icon. My settings, my lock, switch user, log off, or lock PC. If you click lock PC, probably gonna do that. Switch user, and yeah, whatever. Alright, so I'll be right back after I check out some of the other new features. But first, let's check out WinVer to see if they changed the NT version or anything like that. No, it's still 6.1. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Fine. Well, guys, we are officially back to whatever the heck this is, but yeah. Anyways, let's just create a brand new folder for some reason, and I'm gonna call it whatever this is, and put it in the recycle bin, and then empty the recycle bin. Why did I do that? As you can see, the start menu is just like normal, and they removed a couple of things, and Internet Explorer is finally using. Let's open up Internet Explorer. Oh, and also we have center title bar text. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we have center title bar text, which it looks pretty weird, but it's not weird. Okay, so how do we get it to display the thing? Is it in tools? Is it in the help? It's probably in the help bar, isn't it? Oh god, how long is this gonna take? You know what, let's just not check Internet Explorer because it's running Windows. It's running. Microsoft.com is not responding. Cancel. No, I just want to install Windows Vista. Wait, what? No, 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 I do not want to install Windows Vista. And for some reason, the profile picture disappeared. Don't know why that is. Um, so that's pretty crazy. Uh, the VM just cried. It just restarted. Okay, we're gonna start Windows normally, and I'm not gonna resize it because it's probably gonna go back to the same resolution. But you know what I will do? I'll full screen it. Oh yeah, guys, I full screened it. That's right. Let's put it in stretched view. Don't know if VMware Tools, the newest version of VMware Tools can handle this. So I'm gonna put in VMware Tools 10, cause yeah. Preparing your desktop? Wait, what? Wait, what? What do you mean preparing your desktop? It already prepared the desktop. It's not like this is a new user account or anything. I mean, we didn't make any changes, so we don't know what happens. So that's pretty dumb. Don't know why that. I don't know why it's doing that. Because yeah, I actually don't know why it's doing that. Someone needs to. And anyways, we are back to work. Let's not leak our hard work. It's for testing purposes only, of course, guys. Don't worry about it. For testing purposes only. Okay, I'm getting tired of this. I'm gonna do that and get out of stretch mode. There we go. You know that. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to VM, removable devices, CD, settings, and I was gonna put in the DVD for VMware Tools. There it is, VMware Tools 10. Let's click OK. And now, if we go to File Explorer, or it's called Windows Explorer, but does it look like I care? Oh, let's go to Computer, DVD drive. This can fit on a CD because it's less than 100 mega. It's less than 700 megabytes, definitely. Preparing VMware Tools installation. Yeah, this is amazing. All right, let's hope that we can get Aero working. Close the autoplay because you know it's already open. Can we do it? Can we get to the installer? That's a big question. Because if you don't get to the installer, then what's gonna happen? They're preparing to install. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. We're waiting again. I'll be right back after we're at the installer. And for some reason my computer's actually lag. Oh, never mind. We are at the installer. Okay, let's click on next. Let's do a typical install. Install. And now it should install the VMware Tools because you know we need VMware Tools so we can get Windows Aero working. And then I'll end off this video. So yeah. Copying new files. Wow, that's amazing, man. Installing VMCI driver. Can it install it? Can it install it? We gotta find out, guys, because we don't know if it's gonna install. And by the way, on Windows 7, if you want to install VMware Tools on Windows 7, it's kind of broken. You have to install VMware Tools 10, not the newest version of VMware Tools doesn't install a USB mouse driver, which yeah, this VMware Tools 10 installed it, but for some reason, some strange reason, the newest version of VMware Tools doesn't install it correctly. So, yeah, don't know what that's about. Removing backup files. Oh man, are we gonna be done, please? Like, come on. Alright, I'll be back when this is telling me to restart the computer. Alright, so it's finally done. So let's click finish. And then we're gonna restart the computer. I'm gonna put it in full screen. Full screen. And now it should restart. Should is the key word, of course. Logging off. Ah, that's a pleasant sight to see, isn't it? That's a very pleasant sight to see. Alright, so let's just wait for this to shut down. Shutting down. Windows 7 Ultimate. It's not even Windows 7, it's actually Windows 8. Windows. Yeah, starting Windows. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes. It feels a lot smoother. And we get to the. Can we get Aero working though? That's the biggest question I have. Can we get Windows Aero working? Yeah. And now we've definitely made some modifications to the system because we've installed VMware Tools successfully, which is actually crazy to think about because you usually can't get VMware Tools installed on a beta build, but for some reason we somehow did it. Welcome. Now since we're in full screen, it feels like this computer's actually running Windows 7. Oh wait, this isn't Windows 7 though. Yeah, it feels like we're actually running the build now. But now, it's time for the biggest question yet. The biggest question in all of this is, can we get Windows Aero? Come on, let's go, let's go. Personalize. And also, by the way, as you can see, they just renamed the default wallpaper. It's called Harmony here. So yeah, you can see that. Okay, let's see if we can enable Windows Classic. Is that a theme that you can enable? I don't think you can enable it. And it gives you an error message, doesn't it? Okay, so we're gonna switch to whatever theme that is. I don't even know what theme I switched to. Oh gosh. Okay, so what have I done by trying to switch to Windows Classic Edition? Oh god, I might have ruined it forever. Okay, that's not true, but still. Okay. So I don't know what I don't know what's going on right now, but let's press Control Delete. This might send a Control Delete. Control Alt Delete maybe? I don't know. Warning. Oh god, it actually opened up Control Alt Delete. Oh god. Control Alt Delete. Control Alt Insert. Okay. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Alright, so I'll be right back. I just want to see what an arrow is. Alright? Okay, please tell me it loaded. No, it didn't not. Okay. Alright, I'm back, so let's try Control Alt Insert again. Control Alt. Where's the insert key? Where is the insert key? But does this computer not have an insert key on the keyboard? Oh god, I swear if it does not. Oh, okay. So this is the insert key apparently. Control Alt Delete. That's not the correct Control Alt Delete I was talking about. Okay, so let's just reboot the VM. That just feels like the most logical thing to do. Is reboot the VM, but for some reason it's not rebooting. Did it just crash? Yeah, I think it just crashed, guys. Alright, let's just boot it up again. Start Windows normally. And we're booting right back up into Windows 7. Oh, wait, no. I didn't mean Windows 7. We're booting right back up into Windows 8. Even though it doesn't look like Windows 8. And you might call me an idiot, but it is Windows 8. This is Windows 8 build 7418. Like, I promise it is. I actually promise it is. Okay, welcome again for like I don't even know how much time. Okay, there we go. It's back to normal now. But can we get Windows Aero working? Let's not goof off this time. So classic mode definitely doesn't work. So let's click on Windows 7. Um, what happened? So you can't run Aero apparently. Why can't I run Aero? I'm just trying to run Windows Aero, man. I'm just trying. Well, I guess that concludes my, the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So, yeah, okay. Kind of ashamed that we didn't get Windows Aero working, but other than that,